Hi folks, this is going to be a really short video on how you can tidy up your scripts and make them look a little bit neater in the Unity Inspector. So I have a sample object here, a player, and I have a player controller script, and it has a bunch of public variables in it. And this is a little bit messy to read this can even get longer, if your game gets more complicated. So what we can do is tidy this up with a little trick of headers in the inspector. So if I open up this particular script, this player controller script, I can see I have all my public variables. Obviously, this isn't a real script, but I have all my public variables. And what I want to do is I want to make it look a little neater and separate them out into kind of categories. So I can see that I have, some sort of speed variables here. So I might look at those separately. I have some sort of boundaries I've placed on the player. I'll look at those separately. I have some sort of weapons, settings, so I'll look at those separately. Maybe I'll keep the player health there. And then I have some Boolean checks that I'm using. So what I'll do is I'll create a header for each of these sections. So I will use square brackets, header, curly brackets, and then inside the curly brackets, use a string to represent the name of it. So I might go speed settings, and I'm just going to kind of copy this and paste that in front of the boundaries, and I might go, so speed will go player, boundaries. We might go, for the bottom one, we'll go attack settings, and we might go, for the final one, we'll just go bool checks. Okay, doesn't look like we've done much, but if we jump back over into Unity and we let it compile, you can see it's separated all those out and just makes it just that little bit easier to read. So there's a little quick tip on making your Unity inspector just look a little bit nicer. Thanks for watching.